Vesuvius took Pompeii in AD 79, a great city and its people, their culture and their lives, buried deep beneath the ash, eternity in night, mummified in time. Mount Mazama left behind a crater deep and wide, blowing 40 cubic kilometers of rock and earth and ice. Deep and cold now Crater Lake lives on inside, 6,000-year-old sign. And the ring of fire brightens, millenniums have gone. Beneath the shifting continents, the movement carries on. Krakatoa next to Java shook the entire world. Tidal waves struck the shores as molten rock was hurled. The sunny days turned to night, the smoke billowed and curled. Round the earth it swirled. And the ring of fire brightens, millenniums have gone. Beneath the shifting continents, the movement carries on. St. Helens, Fuji, Himaye, Surtsey and Katmai are but a few that have thundered up into the skies. Volcanoes from the splitting crust, rock and ash and fire, lava from inside. And the ring of fire brightens, millenniums have gone. Beneath the shifting continents, the movement carries on. Vesuvius took Pompeii in AD 79, a great city and its people, their culture and their lives, buried deep beneath the ash, eternity in night, mummified in time. And the ring of fire brightens, millenniums have gone. Beneath the shifting continents, the movement carries on. The movement carries on, 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 the movement carries on.